night left at the time I set sail. And the full moon in the west grew pale. In the windy rain under a darkening sky, I started to cry as a child would cry. 10 in the morning, I opened beers, trying to drown myself with my tears. And I was shipwrecked, shouldered by the tide. And I was shipwrecked and swallowed by pride. When I asked forgiveness, I was all at sea, but you rolled like an ocean's wave upon me. My bed grew long, my body thin. Cold and silent, soaked to the skin. In twilight sleep through the terrible night, death wounded but no end in sight. By the dark-colored rocks and the sniff of the shore, she pulled me down to the deep, dark floor, to the graves of the forgotten dead, to the bottom of the sea. She always had a curious way of loving me. I was shipwrecked, shouldered by the tide. And I was shipwrecked and swallowed by pride. When I asked forgiveness, I was all at sea, but you rolled like an ocean's wave upon me. Shouldered by the tide, and I was shipwrecked and swallowed by pride. When I asked forgiveness, I was all at sea, but you rolled like an ocean's wave upon me. I was washed ashore by the white dune land, spotting her naked footprints in the sand. The thunderstorm came up full and strong. I hardly knew what the hell went wrong. I went on a trip down memory lane. My mind grew blacker the more I racked my brain. I couldn't help it, and it was hard to tell how to navigate away from the circles of hell. I was shipwrecked, shouldered by the tide. I was shipwrecked and swallowed by pride. When I asked forgiveness, I was all at sea, but you rolled like an ocean's wave upon me. But you rolled like an ocean's wave upon me.
How do you do? Let's play monkey guitar.
Today we're gonna play Shipwreck, the main riff of the song, and it's not so difficult and fun to play. We have a chord groove.
it's basically an A minor blues. So we start with the first chord, and it's an A minor, basic voicing. So we have open A string, second fret on the D string, second fret on the G string, and first finger here on the note C, first fret, second string, and the open E string, a basic A minor. And now we add a little groove to it. We have, like I said, it's a minor blues, so we have a shuffle feeling with accents on 2 and 4. I'll play it for you. That's it. You do a little, you hit the strings and you put your hand on the strings so you have this percussive sound. That's all. And we need a second chord. It's, like I said, a blues. So we have the fourth scale step, which is D. D minor chord is a subdominant chord of a blues. And in minor, it's a minor chord, of course. We have a basic voicing again, so we have the D string and then the note A, D octave, and the minor third, the note F. So again, D, second fret, third string, A, third fret, second string, D, first fret, first string, with the first finger, the note F, which is the minor third of the D minor chord. And of course, same rhythm groove. So that would be a little bit boring. And so we add something that really makes the song or the riff, and it's a little bass line. It's a pickup. It's rhythmically a pickup. And for the first chord, for the A minor chord, I play it. One more. One more. So we do it slow. It's the open E string. And then third fret, the G, the low G, and then with the fourth finger, the C. So it's a good fingering, third finger, fourth finger, and then with the middle finger you go 1/2 step lower, 1 fret lower, second fret on the B, and then you have your root, the A, and you go inside the chord. Again. E, G, C, B, A. And like I said, it's rhythmically a pickup. That means if you count 1, 2, and then you go on the 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1. And then we go to the D minor chord. And rhythmically the same. Pick up on 3, but we start on another note, on A, and then we go A, B, C. I play it for you. It's A, B, C, and then C sharp, or D flat if you will. And a half step up is the D. And you play the open D string and then inside the chord. So A, B, C, C sharp, D. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. And when we go back, we play play the pickup for the A minor chord. I will play the whole thing so you know what I mean. It's 8 measures on A minor, 4 measures on D minor, and again 4 measures on A minor. And that makes the verse of Shipwreck. I'll play it for you now. So that's it. Sometimes I hit the wrong string, but I guess you get the idea of this riff. So, yeah, it's a lot of fun, and see you soon. Everyone, have a good time.